friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall see how to map your Excel sheet containing data points using QGIS. And here I have about 40 data points in latitude and longitude in terms of decimal degrees. So before mapping, I'm just going to number it. So let the title be location numbers and I'm going to number it from 1 to 14. So 1 to just drag it to make it to 14. Yes. So this is our data. Now to map this Excel data points using QGIS, we need to convert this into a readable format by the QGIS. And the readable format is the CSV file, that is comma separated values. So we are going to save this file, save as, and from the Save As type, select the CSV, delimited option. Save. So the file has been saved. And before importing our data points, I'm just going to add my shape file of the area. And let us configure the fill color. So from the symbology and from the symbol fill, I'm going to fill the color using the transparent fill. So this is our area. Now to import your CSV containing data points, we use the layer option from the toolbar. So from the layer, click onto the add layer option. And from the add layer, select the option that says add delimited text layer. Now from the file name, select your file and open. Just verify whether the file format is CSV itself. And in the geometry definition, we are going to use the point coordinates since we have our data points in terms of coordinates, that is latitudes and longitudes. And the X field should be the longitude and the Y field should be the latitude. Click on add and then use. So this is how you plot your data points from Excel to your QGIS. That is, from Excel you'll convert into CSV and then import your locations. And you can also label this. So in the properties, we can label it using our numbers. So use the single label option. And from the values, we are going to use the location numbers. That is 1 to 14. So from this, just click apply and you can see your labels appear. You can also change the configurations of this label. You can change the font size as Times New Roman if you want. Then you can keep the style bold, italic, regular. So let us see bold. Now you can change the size also. You can change the color also and so. So let us keep the labels off for now. And in this video, I'll show you three effective marker types used in plotting the data points. And the first and foremost is this bullet type and including the labels as well. And in the second type, we can use the markers to be any shapes or symbols for the effective representation of your points. So I'm just going to duplicate this layer and show on this layer the marker types. So we can use, if your data points is any hospitals, you can use this symbol or you can use this symbol according to your location. And I'm just going to use this effective marker and let us reduce the size. Apply and then OK. So this is another type of plotting. That is, apart from the bullet plot, you can use any symbols or shapes to effectively represent your data. And the third option, we are going to use the combination of the symbology as well as the labels. So I'll show you how to do this. And I'm just going to use the dot white option. And from the labels, we can use any single labels. Okay. So now I'll show you how to include this label inside your circle. For this, click on the placement option, and from here in the mode, click on to the offset from the point and apply and OK. See, and if you want, you can increase the size also, so that you can increase it. So these are the three effective markers I would like to discuss today. That is, first one is the bullet plot, the primary plottings that most of the researchers use, and you can also use the label options also. And the second, we can use the shapes or symbols to effectively represent your data points. And the third one, we can use the combination of the symbol as well as the labels to say your location is this one and that location label is this one. So this is it. Thank you for watching and happy research.